Born with Down syndrome and a critical heart condition, her survival itself was uncertain. But she held on, step by step, learning to walk at 4 and slowly finding her voice. What followed was not limitation, but discovery. Dance became her language, years of dedication turning into powerful stage performances. From recitation and painting to speaking at national and international forums, Meghna expresses herself with confidence and grace. She will be receiving the Shakti Samman 2026 award.
जोरदार ताली हो for Meghna, whom I would request sir to do the honors. Congratulations on winning Shakti Samman 2026. You may have your seat, sir. Thank you.
আমি আমি সত্যি সম্মান পেয়ে আমি খুব 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 খুশি হয়েছি আর অরিজিৎ অরিজিৎ স্যারকে অনেক ধন্যবাদ জানাচ্ছি আর যারা 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 আমাকে যারা যারা আমাকে সিলেক্টেড করেছো তাদের জন্যও ধন্যবাদ থ্যাংক ইউ
Congratulations.
কি খুশি তো কতটা
আমি অনেক অনেক খুশি
থ্যাংক ইউ খুশি
And that we move on to the next awardee. But before that, I would like to invite sports and street. Yes, ma'am.